Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 Max, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find advanced features. Now let's enter the system navigation option, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we've got the buttons and the gesture navigation. So if you will decide that you want to stick with the buttons option, here you can customize it. So as you can see, you can reorder the back button and the recents. It's of course up to you, but I will pick the gestures. So let's tap on this option. And as you can see, the three buttons immediately disappear, and from now on we will navigate using the gestures, just like you can see on this animation. So let me show it to you. So first of all, if you want to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and as you can see right here we've got this arrow. So after releasing the finger we will go back, and it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side. As you can see right here we've got this arrow, it will work the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that from the bottom to the center of your device, and as you can see we've got the home screen. And what we've got left, the recents. So if you want to enter the recents, you have to do the same gesture, the same motion. So simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but do it slowly and hold it somewhere here. And as you can see right here we've got the recents, and after releasing the finger we can enter it. So actually this is it. This is how to change the system navigation type in your TCL 10 Tab Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.